Hello everyone, welcome to the Gadget Info, and today I'm gonna give you a tutorial so that you can root your Redmi Note 3 easily with the help of your computer. First of all, what you need to do is just download the RM3 root file. The link is given in the description, so go to that link and download this file and extract it with the help of any of the extracting tool. I'm using the WinRAR here. Now you need to disable the driver signatures on your computer. So just go to the start menu and open up the command prompt, and after that you need to copy the command from the description and paste it here. After pasting it here, just hit enter, and after hitting it enter you have to restart the PC. That's it. Now after restarting the PC, just go to the RM3 folder that you have extracted and double click on the miphone.exe, that is the mi flash tool, and install it. You might get the warning of the Windows security, so just click on the install this driver anyway. After this get installed, just take your phone and go to the settings. In the settings, go to about phone and there is the MIUI version. So go to the MIUI version and tap on the MIUI version 7 times. It will enable the developers options. Now go to the additional settings and you will find here the developers options. In the developers option, you have to enable the OEM unlock. So enable the OEM unlock and enable USB debugging. Just enable both of these features. Now you need to reboot your phone into the fast boot mode. So just power off your phone. After powering it off, you have to press the volume down key and the power key together so that your phone will be in the fast boot mode. Once your phone is in the fast boot mode, just connect it with the help of the data cable. Now go to the ADL mod folder and double click on the ADL batch file. Now your phone will boot into the ADL mod, from where you can flash any of the Xiaomi ROM. Now launch the mi flash tool and set it up. As I am setting it up, just click on the browse and go to the RM3 root folder, go to the CanJoS and select the images folder and click on OK. Now you need to go into the advanced options, so go to the advanced options and browse the fastboot script to flash all. You might be wondering where this file is. So this file is inside the CanJoS folder and which is inside the RM3 root folder. After that, configure the flash programmer, patch file and the raw XML file. Just follow the on-screen procedure, you will find that easily. After doing that, just click on exit, click on refresh and click on flash. This flashing procedure might take 5 to 10 minutes, so just wait for the completion. Once the flashing is done, you need to reboot into the fast boot mode again. Do not disconnect the data cable, press the volume down key and the power key again and you will be in the fast boot mode again. Now go to the unlock folder and in the unlock folder, double click on the unlock bootloader file and your phone will restart automatically. Now set up your phone. You need to copy this update supersu zip file from the RM3 root folder to the internal storage of your Redmi Note 3. So just copy this supersu zip file. After that, you need to boot into the fast boot mode again. So first of all, turn off your phone and press the volume down key and the power key again and you will be in the fast boot mode. Now go to the flash TWRP and double click on the flash TWRP file and it will flash up the TWRP recovery. Your phone will boot into the recovery mode. Your recovery is in Chinese, so follow the procedure to change the language and select English. After selecting the English, click on the icon at the bottom. Your recovery will be in the English now. So click on install and go to the bottom and locate the update supersu zip file and swipe to flash the supersu zip file. It will flash the root permissions on your phone. So finally your Redmi Note 3 is rooted successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit like button and subscribe us because I will post a lot of tutorials about the Redmi Note 3. So have a fun.